In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are experiencing performance issues and FPS drop on your NVIDIA graphics driver. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in NVIDIA control panel. Now select this first result. Now here you will need to go to this 3D settings and then click on manage 3D settings. Here you should see an option called shader cache size. Simply double click it and you will see this drop down menu. Now set it to disabled. Once you have done this, simply minimize this window. Now head to the search menu again. Now this time search for the NVIDIA app. Now open it. Now in the NVIDIA app, go to this drivers tab right here. Now here select the driver that you want. So if you are using your PC for gaming, select game ready. Or if you are using your PC for creative and general purposes, select studio driver. So I'll just select game ready driver and then download and install the latest version of the driver. Once you have updated your NVIDIA graphics driver, head to the search menu again and this time type in disk cleanup. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the disk cleanup window, you'll need to select this cleanup system files. Now here you will need to scroll down and then find this DirectX shader cache and then select it. Now click on OK to clear it and then select delete files to confirm. Once you have done this, return to the NVIDIA control panel, go to this shader cache size and then set it to driver default and then finally hit apply. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Windows 11 PC or laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.